So today I'm going to be talking about circulating. So this is the diagram of heart. So this side is the part where there's deoxygenated blood, and then this side is the part where there's oxygenated blood. So in the deoxygenated blood, it's in the right side. So the top part is called the atrium. This part is called the atrium. And the down part is called the ventricle. So the part which is in the right side is called the right atrium, and the right ventricle. In the part where is left side, it's called the left atrium and the left ventricle. So vena cava, it's the biggest vein in our body. So this vein carries the deoxygenated blood from our head and body, which it brings to the right atrium, and then from the right atrium, the valve right here opens up as the heartbeat, and then it goes to the right ventricle, and then the right ventricle passes it down to the lungs by pulmonary artery, which is the only artery carrying deoxygenated blood. So after it goes to the lungs, there they clean these deoxygenated blood, and then you breathe out. So when it comes back, the blood is oxygenated. So it comes by the pulmonary vein, which is the only vein which carries oxygenated blood. So it comes back from the lungs to the left atrium, and then it moves down to left ventricle, and then passes down to the head and body by aorta, the biggest artery in our body. So this is the process of our circulation in our heart. So these three types of blood vessels are arteries, capillaries, and veins. So the arteries, they carry blood away from heart, and the blood is at really high pressure since it's nearby. It's pumped through it directly by heart, and then it has thick muscular walls to protect from blood leaking because the blood is at high pressure. So no substance leave or enter vessel because the walls are really thick. So there is pulse because created by the heart pumping and contraction of wall muscle. So the capillaries, they carry blood through organs and tissues. So the capillaries help blood diffuse. So they take the deoxygenated or carbon or whatever in your tissues, and then they bring it back, just connected to the veins. So the veins, they carry blood towards heart. So blood is at lowest pressure because it's the last stage, and then the walls are present to stop blood flowing back. So there are thinner walls with less muscle, so that they are flexible and squashed easily, so that helps the blood move towards the heart. So there is no pulse because, again, it's really at lowest pressure. So these are the pictures of artery, capillary, and the vein. So blood has four parts, which are white blood cells, platelets, plasma, and red blood cells. So the white blood cells has two types, which are the phagocytes and the lymphocytes. Phagocytes can engulf a bacterium, which it means it can go eat the bacterium, just like that. But lymphocytes, it's so soft that it has antibodies in their walls which kills the bacterium. Red blood cells, they carry oxygen from the lungs to tissues. They don't have nucleus so that they can carry more hemoglobin. So these cells are made from a narrow part in the bone called the bone marrow. So platelets, it helps the blood clot. So when you have a wound, you see after some time there's this black thing forms. So those are platelets. After they're formed, they can't be reused, so they fall apart. Plasma, it is water with many substances dissolved in it. So plasma is mainly a yellow liquid which has all white blood cells, red blood cells, and platelets and other substances dissolved in it. Health problems of the heart and blood vessels. Heart attacks, it is caused by a clot in the coronary artery. So it's caused by a clot, so basically there's no blood flow or enough oxygen or glucose, so that's why you have a heart attack. Stroke, it happens when there is a clot in the blood vessels of brain. Causes of blood clot. The main causes of blood clot are nicotine from cigarette smoke and too much fat and salt in diet. Angina. This is caused by lack of oxygen. Thank you guys. This is the end of the video. Stay tuned for more. Don't forget to subscribe and like my video so that I can create more. Bye.